This is 30 years later. Like now my leg is, my knee, my leg, my hip, it's 90% better. Like, so it's amazing how my body is responding. I'm becoming like the athlete that I used to be. I'm moving my body in space like I haven't done like for 30 years. You know, like it's amazing what my body is doing. Like my leg can extend as much as the other one. I'm doing like all kinds of things, you know, like, yeah, within 2 weeks, Grant, I was better with my knee. Within 2 weeks in the beginning. And now in 3 months, Grant, in 3 months, I'm moving better and better. You know, like I can run, I can jump. I don't know, in the next 3 months, it's going to be crazy. You know, like I'm getting younger, you know, like in my mind, in my body. And even though I've always been in good shape, now I'm getting to another level. It's amazing. You know, like something happened in my physical body and something happened in my mind.